story of the ugly duckling. He looks a little different than his siblings and his friends, feeling a little lost. In the heartwarming story of Honk, Ugly goes on a journey of self-discovery, realizing that while he might look different, it's not a bad thing. I like that. Our friends over at ALT Academy are bringing the tale to the stage this weekend. Welcome Academy Director Jason Crespin, along with Chloe Spellman, who plays Ida in the show. I feel compelled to say honk every time. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, around our theater, everyone is just honk all the time. It's
Every
Every 5 seconds, you just hear it.
Okay, you've got a lot of people involved in this show.
72 kids. Yeah, Chloe Spellman is leading the pack of all these barnyard animals.
Yes.
We got frogs and quails and chickens and cows and one ugly, ugly duckling.
Oh, bless his heart. Do we feel bad for him?
We do. Chloe plays Ida, his mom. And it's a beautiful story. It's our third time that we've done this show in the Academy. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous story about finding acceptance and tolerance within, you know, the farmyard animals, and it's a great message to send out.
I think it's good for the Academy students to be doing that, right? Y'all are at an age where you really need to hear that message too, don't you think, Chloe?
Oh yeah, especially in just the world, you need to be told, you know, being different doesn't mean that you're outcast. That means you're still loved for different things, you know, and I think that's a great message to give kids. And it's a fabulous show because it hits kids, but it also affects adults. And so it's a span of being accepted and loved for everybody.
I've heard that it's a great show. You had a great weekend last
did.
week. Lots of folks went out to see it.
Yeah, we did. We had a great opening weekend. Still have seats available for this weekend. You guys have to come hear Chloe Spellman sing in this show. Her voice is fantastic.
Oh,
She's
Chloe.
such a strong singer.
That's
such
the first time
strong
he's ever
performer.
said that about anybody, by the way.
Her humor. So those of you who are like, oh, the Ugly Duckling story. Yes, it is the Ugly Duckling story, but I'm telling you, it is hilarious. There's so many jokes just for the adults in the audience. In fact, Honk beat out Mamma Mia and The Lion King for the Olivier Award in London. It's like the London Tony Awards, and it beat out both those shows for Best Musical because of the writing and the music. And so there's some great, everyone that's left the theater has said, I had no clue I was going to enjoy it probably more than my kids because there's so much jokes. Chloe, oh my gosh, the way she delivers some of the jokes in the show, spot on.
Are you having so much fun with it, obviously?
Oh yes, I love every aspect of it. I love that I get to be super funny. I love that I get to be the loving mother. It's an amazing experience.
And probably the littles just really do look up to you and love you, huh? In real life, don't they?
Yes, they do. They are so cute. They're always like, oh, I want to be like you when I'm older. And I'm like, oh, you're precious.
That's awesome. Isn't that cool? Well,
Yes.
congrats, Chloe. That's awesome. That's really fantastic. Okay, give us info on tickets.
So call our box office 806-355-9991 or visit that website there on your screen, Amarillalittletheater.org. Shows are Friday and Saturday at 7:30, Sunday matinee at 2:30. The Sunday matinee is almost sold out, so you're going to want to get your tickets Friday, Saturday, 7:30. Give us a call, 355-9991. We'd love to see you guys down at Honk, down at ALT.
One more time. Honk. All right, very good. Guys, thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Megan.
Coming up next, we've got a reason to talk about cats.